Hello guys, so I'm just going to unbox this really quick. This is a foldable Bluetooth keyboard, useful for laptops, not laptops I guess, tablet, phones, anything that normally doesn't have a keyboard but has Bluetooth, so this would be useful. I'm pretty sure you can also connect it to your PS5, any kind of console, so it's easier to basically type in any links or password. We all know how annoying it is to type with those controllers. So we got all this stuff. USB, hopefully, yeah, it's USB-C. I think this is a stand. Oh, nice. So they gave us a pouch to carry it. That's a good idea since this is meant to be a travel keyboard. Okay. I hope this is metal. I can't really feel it, so let's see. This feels like plastic, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. I think it is plastic made. But it does feel pretty durable. I think this might be peelable. I'm not sure. Let me see. You can't seem to. Okay, let's see. Let's just open this part. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is a stand for your tablet or phone, whatever you're gonna use. So you basically have these angles, different angles that you can put. Okay, I have my iPad over here. Like this already has like a stand for like just for us to use it. Let's see. Hold on, I'm gonna clean everything. Okay guys, so let's see. Let's use this thing really quick. So you got that, and you got your tablet. There you go. It fits perfectly. No wiggle. And then you can basically set up type. Okay. I'm gonna pause really quick and then connect. Okay, I'm back. So let me show you guys this really quick. This is the on button. And then it should have the Bluetooth. So it has 3 different Bluetooth settings, so you can connect 3 different devices. So let's try to connect one. See, the Bluetooth keyboard showed up. Let's try to connect. Nice, it's already connected. So I'm gonna go to maybe, let's see, notes. Let's create a new note and start typing. Oh, there is no delay, it seems. Look, like as soon as I press it, there's no evidence of any delay. Guys, I think I'm going to be actually using this. I had a keyboard, the Apple Magic keyboard, and for some reason it broke, so I am actually excited to have a keyboard again that I can carry around. And look how compact it is. Like this you can carry around with you. It is, let me see, if I were to make this that's it. That's all you need. And I don't even need this just because I have this keyboard that, I have this cover that stands up. So if you guys want something portable for your tablet, easy recommend. Thank you guys for watching.